Hiya crafters, Amy here with amyswares, and I have a twofer unboxing here for scrapbook.com and my favorite things. So I'm going to jump right in and show you what I got. I thought I would combine these into one video. Okay, to start, I have this premium foam adhesive from scrapbook.com. If you've watched my videos, you're probably wondering why on earth I need more foam tape. However, this is a new thin foam tape. So this is, I believe, 1 millimeter thick. It's 1/4 inch width. I am probably going to buy it in a bigger width as well, but this was the only one that was available at this time. But this is, like I said, a 1 millimeter width. So this isn't going to stand off the card as much and give quite as much dimensions. You can see it's kind of small. I'm going to see if I can grab a regular size. So this is obviously a 2 inch wide, so this is a lot thicker. But if you look, you can see this is a lot thicker, meaning it's going to have a lot more dimension. This would be a 2 millimeter. This is a 1 millimeter. So this is a much thinner foam tape. So I was excited to give that a try, just to have that option for those situations where I want a little bit of dimension, but not too much. Now this, Scrapbook Artist Craft Glue. This is what I intended to get. You may have seen recently I got this clear craft glue, which has a nice thin tip. This is also Scrapbook brand, but I ordered this on accident. I was thinking it was this. This one was cheaper in price, so I got two because it was 2 ounce. But then when I got it, I realized I'd ordered clear when I intended to actually order the white glue. So this is a standard white craft glue. I am going to give this brand a try. It comes with a nice, fine tip options, just like this one did. But this is a nice 4 ounce bottle. And again, this is going to be the white glue, which is going to be more similar to this, which I'm running out of and has been giving me problems. So this is going to be a more accurate comparison. Many of you have asked, and I've mentioned that I would follow up on this. This is quite thick, so I don't think it's exactly what I had in mind, or I would probably use it in the way that I'm going to use the white liquid glue. Like I said, I didn't entirely mean to order the clear. So I'm sure I'll find other uses for this, but for applying the liquid glue for sentiments or blingage and things like that, I'm probably going to stick with the more white sort of tacky glue, whether it's this brand or, Barely Arts or all the other different white ones. I think the clear is not quite what I'm going for. So if I find the best usage for this type of glue, I will let you know. But again, that was kind of an error on my part with that clear glue. So I don't know that that's going to be the best for my sort of usage. But I will let you know how this compares to the other white liquid glues. And then I got this because my friend Al, I have another one of these sets, but I didn't have this particular one. Honeybee stamps. This is the Big Time Kindness. So this is very similar to another set that I have that says, sorry, happy birthday, whatever. It just cuts out this really beautiful scripty stamped font. So I had to get this collection. I didn't realize a second one had come out. At first glance, these look a little bit smaller than my other ones, but they're still a great size for kind of a nice, almost focal point on a card front, especially for A2 size. So it's got hello friend, hey girl, kindness, oh happy days, sweet friend, our friendship, you're amazing. And then it's got all these sub-sentiments. So got thinking of you, hey there friend, love ya. So you can kind of mix and match all of these. Very cool. So that is my scrapbook order. I think there was a freebie at the time, but it had run out. I think it was a paper pack or something like that. So no freebie for this order because they had run out. Now this, I'm going to open my favorite things. I haven't ordered from them in a while, so it's exciting to get another one of these boxes. I used to have stacks of them. But let me just pull this aside so it's a surprise. Oh yeah, I forgot they do these little jelly bellies. So cute. Forgot about that. Okay, this I got, not that I do a whole lot with pattern paper, however, it was quite cheap, and it was rainbow colored and cute, so I decided to go for it. So this is a 6x6 paper pad, 2 each of 12 designs. I don't know if, let me open it up, I don't know if it's two-sided or not. I don't know if I have, oh, I do have other, I know I have like the black and white polka dot, like, or stripes or whatever from, oh, okay, looks like it's just one-sided. So I'm just gonna flip through this and show you all the rainbow goodness. Oh, I really like that one. It's almost like graph paper, but it's rainbow. It's fun. So yeah, 2 each of 12 designs, 6x6 paper pad. So this is called, is it Just Delightful? No, Rainbow Love. Right there in my face. Rainbow Love. Okay. So there's that. And then I ran out of this. This was my favorite black cardstock for white heat embossing. I'd run out of it. It is black licorice. The reason I got more, obviously, other than I love it, is I'm going to be doing another comparison video of other brands of black cardstock to see how they measure up to this one, because this was the winner of the first round of my previous video that I did before. So hang tight for that. If you haven't already, please hit subscribe. And if you want to be notified when I place a new video or release a new video, then hit the notification bell and it'll let you know when there's new content. So I'm going to be doing a comparison video of MFT black licorice cardstock, comparing it with other black cardstocks on the market and see how they do with white heat embossing. I got a couple more things. Sadly, I have a lot of friends that have been losing their pets, and this is a really nice Critter Condolences Pet Sympathy set. So I've got a couple that are great from scrapbook.com, but this is just kind of another one to add to my arsenal. I really like the font and the size of it. It's got these extra little stamps, so good for Pet Sympathy. But honestly, some of these Beloved Companion, I mean, that doesn't necessarily have to be pet related. So there's a couple of these that you could use for kind of more of a traditional sympathy, not necessarily related to a pet. And then my final thing here, this is another sympathy one. I just really like these. This is called Deepest Sympathy. I really like the mix of the typed font and the scripty font together. I'm always needing these, guys. I have a couple really solid sets in sympathy items, but I'm always just kind of keeping an eye for kind of new variations. So Deepest Sympathy, know that I love and care about you. And then there's some other sub-sentiments. Maybe you could do these on the inside, sharing in your sorrow. My heart hurts for you. I wish I didn't need to send this card. So these are just kind of unique and different, and I really liked, like I said, that combo font. So that's my 2 hauls combined. I hope you like this. I'll link everything that I showed you in the video description box below, and I'm excited to play with these goodies. So I'll report back on that glue and how these other things are going for me, and you'll see these amazing items in future videos. So thanks so much for spending time with me. I'll catch you next time. Bye.